Number one, we measured the eye and we found it to be 20 millimeters. So once we had 20 millimeters in here, we had to convert that to micrometers because that's the size, that the actual size we've given it. In order to do that, we have to multiply that by 1,000 because 1 millimeter is 1,000 micrometers, and therefore we get 20,000 micrometers for the size. And now we've got 20,000 micrometers, we can do the calculation of the magnification is the image size over the actual image, so it's 20,000 divided by 1,000, which equals 20 times. So that is how we do that first question. The next question, we've got a red blood cell whose actual size is 300 micrometers. So we've got 300 micrometers. And so we need to convert the size that we see into micrometers. And if you measure this, it comes out at 40 millimeters. And so 40 millimeters, in order to convert it to micrometers, is 40,000. And so we've now, using our triangle, we've got the image size, which is 40,000. We've got the actual image, which is 300 micrometers. And so we simply do 40,000 divided by 300, and that equals 133 times. So the magnification is 133 times. For the snowflake, we have a measured distance of 88 millimeters, that's what I've got, 88. It says here that the true size is 700 micrometers. We have to convert millimeters into micrometers by multiplying by 1,000, which gives us 88,000. And therefore the magnification is 88,000 divided by 700, because that's the actual, and that gives us 125 times. So that is the way that we do these. They're very straightforward, but you've got to make sure that you bear in mind the triangle, know which is which, and then remember to convert millimeters into micrometers. The last thing I'll say is if we had a huge blown up picture of, say, it could be any of the ones that we've seen. Let's say it was a huge blown up one that was 1 meter. So a huge poster. But its true size was 1 micrometer. Then in order to turn it to micrometers, we'd have to multiply meters into micrometers, we'd have to multiply it times 1,000,000 to get it into micrometers. Okay? And we would never have to do 1,000,000,000. But so remember, if we want to convert meters into millimeters, you can times it by 1,000. If you want to convert meters into micrometers, you times it by 1,000,000, or millimeters into micrometers, then by 1,000, and you won't go far wrong.